Assalamu alaikum, may Allah bless you. Dear friend, I hope you are fine. My name is Ali Nawaz and I am founder of this both channel. My name is Tips and Track and Mr. Ali Online. There I have more than 10 years experience in teaching field and I love with my profession and my aim is just promote education and skill to the people and this world. In this both channel, I teach you different tips and track about motivational career subject like math, English, science, sport, computer hardware, software, online support, and like hand home skills, technology, and other knowledge and tips which are related to our life. If you want to learn something, you must subscribe, like, join me and my channel because I my aim is promote education and I hope we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care and take care your child. Take care yourself.